What's up friends, Andrew here, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a mobile mockup in Canva. And what this is going to basically do is allow you to create a phone design, and if you have screenshots from your phone or any images that you want to add into that phone design, you can easily do that. Now what I've done guys, I've already uploaded some screenshot, and as you can see I'm currently working on a thumbnail. And if you look on my channel, you'll most likely find that this video actually exists as well. So what you want to do guys is simply go ahead and let's say upload the photo that you want. That could be a photo from your phone or a screenshot from a video or whatever it is. Once you have that, you can simply go to upload in Canva on the left hand side and upload your image. And it is very easy. You just want to find the image from your computer. I'm going to just do a typical example here. Let me just find just an image, and let's say for example this car. I'm going to just simply drag it, and as you can see, once I drag it over to Canva, it's going to quickly upload. No, this is not the image that I want to use, but I'm just showing you how you can easily upload an image. No, I'm going to quickly delete this one because I don't need that. No, now that you see how I add the picture or a screenshot into Canva, I'm going to show you how I will do the mockup for that phone design. So all you have to do right now is actually find mockups. So this is very easy to do. You want to scroll down on the left hand side on Canva and you'll find mockups. If you're not able to find mockups there, you want to go ahead and let's say go to apps, and you'll be able to find more apps and more features within Canva. So if you're able to find it, you want to scroll down and simply click on Mockup. And from here, you want to scroll down to where it says smartphone. You can click see all, and you can find a phone design that works for you. In this case, I'm going to just choose something random. So let's say I would like to use this one here. I can click on that design and it's going to add right into my Canva design. And I can expand it by stretching it to make it larger, depending on whatever I want to do, right? I like this design. So let's say this is the design that you want to use. Now, all you have to do really guys is to find the image that you want to use and drag and drop it into the design. So in my case, I will go back to uploads, and let's find my uploads, and I'll find the image that I want to use. Let's take for example this one here, and I'm going to simply go ahead and drag this image over into the mockup design and let it go, and it's going to load right into that mobile design. And it is as easy as that guys. Have a look at that. And that's how easy it is to create a mobile mockup in Canva. You can do this for any kind of mockup that you choose, and the steps are pretty much the same. You just need to go ahead and find your mockup design that you want. Once you go ahead and find that mockup, then you're able to actually add that in. But that's easy. That's so easy guys, very easy and very simple. And that's how you go ahead and add a mobile mockup in Canva. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.